So here we have a 2-planter Oxypot, and in this Oxypot we're growing some Mustard Mama chilies. Save a fortune on soil and get a huge crop with the Oxypot. The Oxypot is a deep water culture method of growing, which means the roots are constantly submerged in highly oxygenated water. There's no timer to manage and you're never at risk of waterlogging or the plants drying out. Choose from our single Oxypot, which holds 1 plant, or our Oxypot XL, which can hold 2 plants. You can add plants that have been started in soil as long as there are plenty of white roots on the outside of the plant. Or you can start plants in the Hydropod aeroponic misting propagator. We have been harvesting chilies from this Oxypot planter since the end of July, and there are still hundreds of chilies on the 2 plants. The Oxypot is a great way of getting massive harvests without needing daily attention. Perfect for growers who want to use less media and make the most of floor space with a self-contained grow system. Reversible lid for veg stage. Look at the size of this Mustard Mama Chilli plant. It's at least 12 foot tall. Each 1 litre pot contains clay pebbles. These pebbles can be recycled once washed for each grow season. They are more cost effective, eco-friendly and far kinder on your back, removing the need to carry around bags of compost. The air pump constantly oxygenates the solution, meaning the roots have 24/7 access to super oxygenated water and nutrients. The result is seriously speedy growth. Oxypot XL holds 70 litres of nutrient solution. Change nutrients every 14 to 21 days. Change nutrients more frequently for mature plants. To top up the Oxypot reservoir, we use Part A and Part B Nutrigrow plant food with a dosage rate of 6 ml per litre of water. We are using a 10 litre watering can and adding 60 ml of Part A and 60 ml of Part B added separately to the water, creating our nutrient solution. Add nutrients according to the instructions on the bottle. Okay guys, that was the Oxypot planter. If you'd like to know more about this planter, please head on over to greenhousesensation.co.uk. Farewell.